ocean mirrors heaven's glow. Your love begins to flow. Every heartbeat sings of you in every shade of blue. Your spirit whispers through the breeze, a peace that never leaves. You lift my soul above with everlasting love. You move within the air, your love beyond compare. In every spark I see, you're burning inside me. Hearts of light, glowing free. You shine through all I see. Every color, every sound, your presence all around. Hearts of light, calm and pure. Your mercy will endure. Forever we will be. Your hearts of light. Let your radiance fill this place. The beauty of your grace. Every tear and fear erased by your embrace. We'll carry love so wide, with you as our guide. Forever we'll ignite your hearts of light. Hearts of light, glowing free. You shine through all I see. You shine through all I see. Every color, every sound, your presence all around. Hearts of light, calm and pure. Your mercy will endure. Forever we will be. Your hearts of light. Hearts of light. Hearts of light. Forever bright. Hearts of light. Hearts of Thankful heart, where grace will start. The dawn awakens soft and clear. Your mercy draws me near. Every moment, every sound, your beauty all around. The gentle waves, they sing your praise in endless tender ways. My heart begins to sing. You're all I need to be. the stillness of my soul. Your voice makes me whole. Through the silence I can hear. Your words are crystal clear. You breathe new light into the air. I know that you are there. Every doubt begins to fade by the truth you've made. You speak beyond the sound, where grace and peace are found. I'm listening again to where your love begins. Whisper of truth, soft and kind. You bring peace to my mind. Every moment, every hue, I'm drawn closer to you. Whisper of truth, come in near. I feel your presence here. Forever I will stay in what you say. Your spirit moves in gentle waves. Your mercy freely saves. Every shadow disappears when your whisper nears. You lift me high, you pull me through. My heart belongs to you. I'll follow where you guide. With you I'll abide. You speak beyond the sound, where grace and peace are found. I'm listening again to where your love begins. Whisper of truth, soft and kind. You bring peace to my mind. Every moment, every hue, I'm drawn closer to you. Whisper of truth, come in near. I feel your presence here. Forever I will stay in what you say. Let your voice fall like the rain, healing every pain. Through the quiet night, you turn dark to light. Your truth restores my soul. Your words make me whole. Forever I will hear your whisper near. Whisper of truth, soft and kind. You bring peace to my mind. Every moment, every hue, I'm drawn closer to you. Whisper of truth, come in near. I feel your presence here. Forever I will stay in what you say. Whisper of truth, forever you move. Whisper of truth. make the broken whole. Every shadow fades away as you begin to stay. You lift my eyes to see the dawn, a love that carries on. Every breath I take is yours, forevermore. You move like gentle fire, my heart's one desire. Your spirit softly speaks in peace so deep. Shine within me, pure and bright, guide my heart through the night. Every whisper, every flame, I'll praise your holy name. Shine within me, calm and true. echoes of peace calling to me. The night is soft, the stars are near. Your presence whispers clear. Every wave that meets the shore reminds me I'm yours. You breathe in colors of the sky, where time and love collide. Every moment you restore, I'm whole once more. You move within the sound. Your grace is all around. Your spirit gently flows, forever it grows. Echoes of peace, deep and true. I hear your voice come through. Every silence sings your name. Nothing feels the same. Echoes of peace, calm and near. I feel your presence here. Forever I'll remain in this refrain. The morning light begins to rise. Your mercy fills the skies. Every tear you've washed away. In grace I stay. Your spirit moves in every breeze, a song that never leaves. You speak and hearts alive. Your love divine. You move within the sound. Your grace is all around. Your spirit gently flows, forever it grows. Echoes of peace, deep and true. I hear your voice come through. Every silence sings your name. Nothing feels the same. Echoes of peace, calm and near. I feel your presence here. Forever I'll remain in this refrain. Your peace like rivers flow wherever I may go. Each breath becomes a prayer. I know you're there. You calm the storm inside. Your love will never hide. Forever you will be peace over me. Echoes of peace, deep and true. I hear your voice come through. Every silence sings your name. Nothing feels the same. Echoes of peace, calm and near. I feel your presence here. Forever I'll remain in this refrain. Echoes of peace, forever you keeps rising. The sky unfolds in shades of gold. Your mercy to behold. Every breath a gentle wave. Your love so strong to save. The ocean sings your melody, a timeless symphony. Your spirit in the air. I feel you everywhere. You calm the tides inside. With peace I cannot hide. Your grace will never fade. In you I'm unafraid. Peaceful rises, wide and free. Your presence covers me. Every moment, every side. You lift my soul so high. Peaceful rising, calm and true. My heartbeat belongs to you. Forever I will see your peace surrounding me. The wind is soft, the world is still. I'm resting in your will. Every heartbeat starts anew. With gratitude for you, your light reflects across the sea. It draws me close to thee. Every wave your grace unfolds, more precious than gold. You calm the tides inside. With peace I cannot hide. Your grace will never fade. In you I'm unafraid. Peaceful rising, wide and free. Your presence covers me. Every moment, every side. You lift my soul so high. Peaceful rising, calm and true. My heartbeat belongs to you. Forever I will see your peace surrounding me. Let your spirit fill the air. I know me again. Your spirit moves across the deep. You wake my soul from sleep. Through every calm, through every storm, you keep my heart so warm. Your whisper lingers in the air, a peace beyond compare. Every moment speaks of you, so gentle, pure and true. You breathe where I can't see, your love surrounding me. You call me to begin your life within. Breath of heaven, soft and near, your presence draws me here. Every heartbeat sings your name. Forever you remain. Breath of heaven, calm and wide, you dwell deep inside. Forever I'll be still in your will. You wash away my pain. Your mercy falls like morning dew, restoring what is true. The stars reflect your endless grace. I'm lost within this place where heaven meets the sea. You're breathing into me. You breathe where I can't see, your love surrounding me. You call me to begin your life within. Breath of heaven, soft and near, your presence draws me here. Every heartbeat sings your name. Forever you remain. Breath of heaven, calm and wide, you dwell deep inside. Forever I'll be still in your will. Your spirit flows like wind and sea, forever guiding me. In stillness I can hear your voice so clear. You fill the air with peace and light. You turn my wrongs to right. Forever I'll belong within your song. Soft and near, your presence draws me here. Every heartbeat sings your name. Forever you remain. Breath of heaven, calm and wide, you dwell deep inside. Forever I'll be still in your will. heaven. Forever you show in the stillness. I can see your light surrounding me through every storm, through every tear. Your presence keeps me near. You shine through clouds, through endless skies. Your grace will never die. Every breath and quiet flame carries your name. You hold my heart so tight through every darkened night. Your love will never fade. In you I remain. Faithful, glow, calm and pure. Your mercy will endure. Every season, every rain. Your peace remains. Faithful, glow, shining through. All my hopes in you. Forever I will know your faithful glow. The night grows quiet, stars arise. Your truth fills up the skies. Every word you've ever said still echoes in my head. You guide my feet with tender eye. You turn my wrongs to right. Your faithfulness won't cease. It brings me peace. You hold my heart so tight through every darkened night. Your love will never fade. In you I'll remain. Faithful, glow, calm and pure. Your mercy will endure. Every season, every rain. Your peace remains. Faithful, glow, shining through. All my hopes in you. Forever I will know your faithful glow. When I can't see the way, you turn the night to day. Through silence you still speak. Your love's what I seek. Your spirit lights the dark, ignites my sleeping heart. Forever you will show your faithful glow. Faithful, glow, calm In the silence you remain, through the joy and through the pain. Every heartbeat sings your grace. I feel you in this place. The waves are whispering your name. Your peace will never change. Every breath I take tonight, you fill with holy light. You move through every sound, your glory all around. My soul will always know your light forever glows. Presence eternal, soft and bright. You are my endless light. Every moment, every side, you're always by my side. Presence eternal, calm and true. My heart belongs to you. Forever I will stay in your holy way. The stars above begin to glow. Your beauty starts to show. Every thought you sanctify. Your love will never die. Your spirit lingers in the air. I know you're always there. You carry me through night and day. In you I'll always stay. You move through every sound, your glory all around. My soul will always know your light forever glows. Presence eternal, soft and bright. You are my endless light. Every moment, every side, you're always by my side. Presence eternal, calm and true. My heart belongs to you. Forever I will stay in your holy way. You are the fire within my heart. You set my life apart. Your peace is all I see. You're everything to me. No shadow can remain. Your mercy breaks the chain.